Online Privacy by Ashley Smith. Background information. Every day, millions of Americans are using social media apps and websites that are taking personal information and storing or selling this data to other companies. People are unaware of the large amounts of data these companies have on them. Data mining and hacking are huge issues that people need to understand and learn about as technology is advancing at a rapid rate. Some more background information. Ever since cell phones have become a part of our everyday use, they have been a cause for concern in terms of privacy. Big corporations and governments are guilty of using our personal data without permission. Cell phones are like personal tracking devices implanted with almost every person willingly taking part. The author Altshuler in 2019 stated, individuals should be able to choose what space within their personal domain can be accessed by others, and to control the manner, scope, and timing of exposure. Amazon keeps a copy of everything Alexa records after it hears its name. This data is then sent to Amazon and stored in a big database. Nest Thermostat reports back to its servers data in 15-minute increments about not only the climate in my house, but also whether there's anyone moving around. As determined by a present sensor used to trigger the heat. Surveillance capitalism is an economic system centered around the commodification of personal data with the core purpose of profit making. Twitter sites such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are using our personal data, such as what we search on the internet, then selling that information to companies to then create advertisements that we see on our feeds. Implications. Everyone with any smart product should take extra precautions when using their devices to avoid hacking and potential personal data from being collected. A cover should be placed on a phone and computer screens when not in use. Be careful when putting personal information such as credit card numbers, social security numbers, and addresses into websites. Turn off your Amazon Alexa and put it into a closet when not in use. Personally, I don't have one of these devices. Do not install Ring doorbells into your home. Put social media accounts on private to limit viewing of your profiles to friends only. Buy items in stores instead of online. Disable Siri, Amazon Echo, and Alexa on smartphones. Delete TikTok. Initially, I had TikTok and then I decided to delete it. They were originally owned by China and recently bought by Microsoft, and constantly take in demographics and very specific data about users. You cannot stop Amazon from making these recordings on devices such as the Amazon Alexa, aside from muting the Echo's microphone, which pretty much defeats its main purpose, or you can unplug the actual thing. These big companies need more regulation and restrictions on what they can store, use, and sell. They should not be able to utilize users' personal information without their knowledge. In conclusion, by individuals taking small action steps to avoid personal information being collected about them, it can prevent these big companies and governments from stealing data. And these are the references. Thank you.